Hello, everyone.
Hello.
I hope you're doing just fine. We are about to start the Mobile Central Europe, the very first edition here in Poland. And yeah, we are finally here. And I think that most of you are wondering, what do you mean finally? I just registered and I'm here, right? Everything. But it took us a really long time and lots of work. And we have just prepared some numbers for you, just so you could see how it is to realize such an event.
Yeah. So the event was made in Poland. The event was started by, like the origin of the event started from 3 companies, Polydea, FutureMind, and Macroscope, which thought that there is a very good idea to make a community event for mobile developers.
That's it. We've started with Mobile Warsaw, actually, monthly meetups here in Warsaw. We actually had, I think, 9 meetups last year, all of them, and the community is growing. It's great, and it actually let us to organize such an event here.
So from a small event, it grew to a really big one. If you see here, these are all the people, and probably not all. Probably we missed some of those people who helped in preparing Mobile Central Europe, who helped in making it happen, including one cat, if you can see it.
Great. Okay, so there are about 400 attendees here today for you to connect, to meet, to talk about mobile. And there was this one crazy week, and especially one day when exactly 55 persons registered, but that was like in December. So we were planning like, okay, we're gonna do that for 400 people. Then the December started, and we were like, oh my God, we're gonna have 200 tops. And then everyone just registered, and oh no, we're gonna go over the 400. So it was changing continuously. So most of you are from Poland, which is not really surprising, but other top countries are Ukraine, Belarus, and UK. Especially thank you for GDGs and Cocoa heads from Ukraine and Belarus.
So a bit of statistics that Wojtek mentioned previously. So 65 people we counted were involved in making the event. 7 months of work, most of the work though done in last few months. Just an example, number of hours spent by single company, by all the people in the company, 1,500 people in our company. 1,500 hours in our company. And our CTO still is okay with that. That's very good. We have 181 discussions in Basecamp, and we have more than 1,000 threads of emails sent. This is the number which I'm really, really proud of, because actually like 3/4 of these emails are mine.
Right, thank you. We're really thankful for all of the community partners, and this is really important because we are doing that for the community. I really hope that you will like the whole day, because we are organizing and doing all of that for you guys and all of that groups.
And our sponsors, yeah. We have some really, really great sponsors who help us in making the event happen. These are the sponsors that are really involved in many different events. Wikia, Nubiza, We Like Cups. These are our gold sponsors. And Nubiza is actually making a product announcement today during the Tech Talks, so you should not miss that one. And we have some great technology partners which helped us, especially in the hackathon part, but also in like event application, in making the great Leia display, for example, when you can play and interact with it in the hall of the cinema. So these are all the great sponsors and partners that helped us.
Right. We really couldn't do that without our sponsors. So thank you very much. We have really 3 different kinds of sponsors here. We have Blade Polska, which is actually a software house based in Warsaw. Then there's Mobica, UK-based company that has actually offices in several Polish cities. And then Allegro Group, which is actually
It's 230, no, 100 countries or something like that. But
something like that. It's a really huge spread all over the world group.
And of course, we have a diamond sponsor. The only and main diamond sponsor is UTest. This is, if you don't know, this is a company which is about the mobile app quality. So they really take care about your mobile apps and making it really good app. And UTest is actually UTest became. We have Gal Sir is one of our speakers. He is the VP engineering of UTest, and you might be surprised, but he actually went through the submission process, and he was approved long time before we actually started to talk to UTest about being our diamond sponsor.
Exactly, and all of our sponsors, thank you very much for all of your support. All right, there's a bunch of tips and tricks for today. So as you can actually see, the cinema, Kino Praha will be our host, but also, how do you call that, mobile miniverse for today. There's not only talks, but we're having lunch today as well. And during the lunch break, we're having a bunch of flash talks in this room. So just grab your lunch, and after, I think, 30 minutes of lunch break, we will start 6 flash talks in this room. After all talks are finished, we're gonna have an after party, and guess what? It's gonna be here as well. So we will just get you some nerdy food. So that's beer and pizza, basically, and lots of games. You will be able actually to play some games on the cinema screen. I hope that's cool enough.
And some more cool stuff going on during the after party, you'll find out. One thing that we want to mention as well, you will hear a lot about different APIs and different libraries today, how people are using it, because like it's a developer event. But you're not only you not only can hear about that, but you can try it yourself, because we have a Base, which is a great company from Krakow, which came and actually in the just next to Leia display system. It's easy to spot, to find it. You can go and play with the APIs, with the libraries. You can just code. There are some computers, some people who can help you. So this is really like coding base from Base, and just go and try all these things that you've learned about today.
All right, the last part. Actually, there is a game for you. You can see the QR codes in different places. We thought that it's going to be great, actually, if the networking will help you get some contacts to other guys that you are talking wherever in the cinema. But it never actually happened. So we've created an app that makes networking a gamification. Right, so there's a game that you actually can get bonuses, achievements, and scores for connecting with people. All of you on your badges have a 3-letter code, and if you get to the app, all of you are supposed to get an email with link to that app. So just enter the code of a person that you are talking to, and you are connected just one direction. If someone actually connects the other way, then you are friends in one crew, and then I think it gives you 100 points, and just 10 points.
Some more,
to
and there are some more
just
achievements
one way
as well. Yeah,
right.
yeah.
You can, some great achievements for you.
Yeah, especially look for one guy. Yeah, he's there. You'll find him. And beware. I mean, yesterday at the hackathon, the game was already hacked. Of course. What else? What else could you expect? But it was already hacked, but we know who hacked it. Remember that. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Have a good day.
And
we will be starting in 5 minutes about. So if you want to stay in this room, then just wait a couple of minutes. If you want to change the room, then do that really fast right now.
Thanks.
Thank you, guys.